This is a 2006 Chevrolet Avalanche. This truck has a 4-speed automatic transmission and a 5.3-liter V8. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, a 6-speaker audio system, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, automatic locking wheel hubs, a security system, dusk-sensing headlights, front and rear reading lights, and fog lamps. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking automobile.
Beyer Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We're located at 170 Ridgedale Avenue in Morristown.